Friends, let's talk taxes for 1 second. You always hear the same old soundbite of the rich not paying their fair share, right? The truth is, under our progressive systems in the US and Canada, the highest earners are already shouldering most of the load. Feds collect billions, and it's the wealthiest citizens who pay the majority of the personal income tax collected. For example, in the US, the top 1% pay about 45% of federal income taxes. In Canada, the top 20% pay nearly 2/3. So while tax code loopholes get all the headlines, the reality is the rich are already paying the lion's share. The soundbite shouldn't be about if the rich are taxed. They are. It's about when is enough enough.